You are welcome in your new class 7A. Now, first of all, I want to remind you that you have learned in previous class up to previous class. In your previous class, you have learned natural number system. In number system, natural number, whole number, etc. For example, natural number is all counting numbers are called natural numbers. And we know counting numbers starts from 1. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. These are the natural numbers. And natural numbers are of two types: odd natural numbers and even natural numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd natural numbers, and 2, 4, 6, etc. are called even natural numbers. Even natural numbers are the natural number which are divisible by 2, and odd natural numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Now, whole numbers, so all natural numbers with 0 is called whole number. Now, in this class, I want to make you to understand integers. Integers are the natural numbers. Negative of natural numbers with 0 are called integers. This is the definition of integer. Integer is natural number. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ... And 0 is also integer, and -1, -2, -3, ... are called. Therefore, integer is natural number, negative of natural number with 0. Now, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. are natural numbers, and negative of these numbers are also integer, and 0 and integer. Now, we have to learn some properties of integers. As we have learned in previous classes, natural number follows some properties. For example, commutative property, associative property, and closure property. Integers also follow these properties. First, closure property. A and B are integers. A and B are integers. Therefore, A plus B is also an integer. This is the closure property. For example, 4 and 5 are integers. Therefore, 4 plus 5, 9 is also an integer. This is the closure property. Now, commutative property. Commutative property is second commutative property. A plus B is equal to B plus A. For example, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. Since 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. In commutative property, we see that there is a difference of numbers in order. In first, 2 is written first and 3 is in second. And therefore, this is 3 plus 2, 3 is in first and 2 is in second. Now, third is associative property. Third is associative property. Associative property is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. For example, 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5. Here we see that 2 and 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And in right hand side 2 plus 3 5 plus 5 10. Now left hand side is 10 and in right hand side is also 10. This is associative property. Come to the exercise 1.1. In question number 1, temperature of different cities are given on the number line. In question number A, you have to observe the number line and you have to write the answer of different temperature of different cities. Exercise 1.1, question number 1A. In number line, we see that the temperature of Lahul Spiti is equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Srinagar is equal to, no, minus 10 is not here, minus 8. And temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. This is the answer of question number 1A. Now B. In question number B, we have to find the difference of temperature between hottest and coldest places. Temperature of hottest place is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is hottest place and temperature of Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. Temperature of hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius and temperature of coldest place is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Therefore, required difference equal to 22 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. This is 22 plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now this is 30 degrees Celsius. This is question number 2. Now question C. In question number C, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? We have to find the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Therefore, required temperature difference is equal to required temperature difference equal to temperature of Lahul Spiti is minus 8 degrees centigrade and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, required difference is minus 2 degree minus 8 degrees Celsius. And this is equal to minus 2 plus 8. And this is 6 degrees Celsius. Now, question number D, 1D. 1D now. In question number 1D, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is equal to -2 plus 5 degree Celsius. This is equal to 3 degree Celsius. And temperature of Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Temperature of Shimla is equal to 5 degree Celsius. Therefore, temperature of Shimla, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Temperature of Shimla. This is the first part of question 1D. Now second, it is also less than the temperature of Srinagar. No, it is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. Therefore, we write temperature of Srinagar is not less than the temperature of Srinagar. This is question number 1D. In question number 2, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. You have to find the total marks at the end, and therefore total marks at the end. Total marks at the end is equal to 25 plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. This equal to 25 plus into minus 5 plus into minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now we add positive sign first. 25, 15, 40 plus 10, 50. 50 minus 5 and minus 10 minus 15. This equal to 35. This is the answer of question number 2. It is given that the temperature of Srinagar was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday and it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Therefore, the temperature of Srinagar in question number 3. Temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius plus 2 degrees Celsius. This equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. And in second part, the temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it is rose by 4 degrees Celsius, and therefore required temperature on Wednesday will be minus 3 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius. This is equal to 1 degree Celsius. Question number 5. Now we come to question number 8. In question number 8, you have to verify A minus B is equal to A plus B. and it is given that in question number 8, a minus b is equal to a plus b. In question number A, in place of a is 21 and b is equal to 18, and therefore your left hand side, that is a minus b is equal to, a means 21 minus b means 18 minus 18. Now 21 minus into minus plus 18, this equal to 39, and RHS is equal to a plus b. A plus b means 21 plus 18. This is also equal to 39, and LHS equal to RHS. Verified. Is difficult for you. Therefore, I am going to solve this question. Here is given ladders, steps. First step, second step, third step, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth steps. There are 9 steps. At first, the monkey is here, and he falls 3 steps downward. 1, 2, 3, and then he jumps 2 steps upward. 1, 2. It means after 2 jumps, the monkey will be here and similarly after 4 jumps, the monkey will be here. After 6 jumps, the monkey will be here, and after 8 jumps, the monkey will be here, and after 10 jump, monkey will be here, and in 11th jump he goes 3 steps downward. Therefore, it means the monkey will be here at 11th step, and therefore your answer is 11 steps. Your first question 10-1 is 11 jumps. In question 10-2, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps 2 steps down in every move. Therefore, after drinking, monkey move 4 steps upward. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, and he moves 2 steps downward. 1, 2. It means after 2 jumps, the monkey will be here. It means after 4 jumps, monkey will be here, and in 5th jump, the monkey will be here. It means above the steps, and therefore your answer is 5 jumps. Second part of question number 2 is 5 jumps. Now remaining questions are homework for you. Okay, thank you.